Okay guys, what's up? We're back and we got this. I've already put a few in there, but mine's nothing that cool as the last video, but plus subscribe if you want to see me play a little Minecraft.
Make some more go down it, Aiden.
Like this, guys. Several at a time.
Uh-oh. It went up. Oh, no.
Sorry, guys. Be right back. Pause it.
Mm-hmm. Just fix it.
Hey, guys.
Okay.
Sorry about that. Just a bunch went rolling everywhere. I'm sorry. I did it again, guys.
You got to get it in there like that. Yeah.
That.
There you go.
Okay, guys. I actually fixed it, so let's try it out now. With several.
Wow, that one was good.
Yeah, Grandma. Now watch this.
Now watch this.
Several
There's how many marbles that are in it. You better set it back up.
Oh, guys, one sec. Sorry, guys. We'll be right back. What? Just skip this part if you don't want to see me. Yeah, just skip the part, guys. When you get to this part, just skip it.
What are you doing?
He's taping it to keep it up more. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Seriously, skip it when you see this part. See it.
Put a couple of more handfuls down, and then we're going to call it quits here, okay? Okie doke.
Grandma, we need to make it in professional.
Well, a few more handfuls will be professionally.
And
Woo, look at that.
we're gonna see these all go down into this can. You wanna see how many's in there now?
Wow.
Hey, if you watch Popular Mouse, tell Popular Mouse to tell them that I said that their videos are amazing. I love their Minecraft videos and all the other ones. And tell them that they should do Roblox too. Don't you tell them that? Yeah, they should do Roblox. They should make some friends with me. They should make some friends too. They should maybe you could be my friend.